Hi all. Some of you have asked about how best to swap out fake superscripts for true superscripts, so I'll show you how to do that in this video. We're assuming that through some sort of, I don't know, legacy styling from Microsoft Word or through the application of some sort of script, all your endnote markers have been changed to fake superscript. And what I mean by that is if I were to put the cursor in here, and I'll type in a 6-7, turn this off, and then simply go over to character styles and put in a true superscript. You can see how much more weight these have. These are optically adjusted superscripts so that when they're printed out they don't look or appear to be rather lighter weight than the rest. And this is much more preferable. This is pretty janky. So we need to go through and change them all to the correct styling. However, that can be a little bit problematic because how do you search for those? Now you could conceivably go through and look through for strings of any kind of digit through a wildcard GREP styling, or sorry, GREP search. But that would give you a lot of other numerals as well, which is problematic in a historically based journal because there's lots of dates and things like that. So there is a much better way. So we're going to pull up the find and change menu or palette, whatever it's called in this case, by hitting Command F. We're going to go over to GREP, and the key to this whole thing is being able to search for a format. Now I know traditionally we all have used this and we've used it to search for a particular character style, but you can also use it. I think one of the best features, especially when you're trying to clean up Word documents and things, is you can simply just look for something as it's currently styled through these options. So it's not through a previously assigned character style, although that might be super helpful in some instances. In this case, we're actually looking for anything that's been denoted as a fake superscript. And we're going to click OK. Weird that it's not actually. There we go. Don't know what that glitch was about, but now when we hit Find Next, it's going to find that, and we're going to change this format into our previously mentioned superscript. And we're going to click Change, and you can see how much beefier that gets. I always like to run through a couple just to make sure it's applying it the way I want before I hit Change All. In this case, 70. You can see why that's so much more efficient than having to do some sort of numerical search. And now those are all properly set. Let me know if you have any questions or are there any problems in the comments or via Slack. Thanks.